Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I'm Dr. Mahdi Radfar. Today in this video I'll teach you how to grow almond at home. At the end of this video, if you liked it, please push the like, press the subscribe button and also share it with your friends. Now let's start the video. First we need to soak the almonds in water for 24 hours, for 1 day. I've already soaked them. Yesterday I soaked some almonds in water. Here you can see. And in next step, we need to peel top part of each diamond. In this case, germination will be faster. But you should be very careful, and a sprout shouldn't damage. You shouldn't damage the sprout. We need something like this. So now we need a wet tissue. Here I try to use a wet tissue and we wrap all of the almonds inside of wet tissue. And we close it. And in next step, we need to place it in fridge for at least 1 month. After 1 month, you can see all of the almonds have sprouted. It will take, germination for almond will take 1 month. 1 month ago, I placed some almonds inside of fridge. Now let's have a look at the result. Oh, nice. Here you can see most of them have sprouted. Most of the almonds have sprouted. Now it's time to plant them in soil. When we want to plant them in soil, it's better to make a hole. Better to plant it in this direction. Root should be inside of soil and almond should be outside. I try to have 2 almonds in this pot, but please note this pot is very small, but it's temporary. And after growing, definitely I transplant them in a bigger pot. And 2 more in this pot. And then watering, we need to water it. Now after watering, it's better to place it in a sunny area. For example, behind the window can be a very nice place for that. And now after 2 weeks, you can see I have 5 almond plants. Almond grows very fast, and these pots should be very small for almond, and I would like to transplant 2 of them to this bigger pot. I take it out with soil around the root. It's very important when you would like to transplant a plant. It's very important to move it with soil around the root. This one here. And I also have 1 more almond. You can see only after 2 weeks a lot of roots. I need to water them, and I'll try to place it behind the window. And now after 1 month, I think height of every almond tree should be near half a meter. And if you would like to harvest the almond, definitely this pot should be a very small place, and you need to transplant them in garden. Now in Germany, we are in spring, and outside weather is very nice. It's not cold at all. And I mean, it's a good time to transplant them in garden. And after maybe 2-3 years, we can harvest almond. And I mean, maybe after 2-3 years, height of this almond tree should be near 2 meters. Hope you found this video useful. And then if you have any comment or question, you can write it below in comment section. You can also hit the bell. In this case, you will get notification whenever I publish a new video. And at the end, please don't forget that life is short and enjoy it. Thank you so much, and bye.